Lindsey Goff Viducich here, the author of The Amazing Brain Club. And I want to talk to the parents for a second. Do you have a child in your home who has a body that's full of energy and a brain that's full of creative ideas? It is so important as parents to have resources that we can share with our kids to help them understand how they were made and that the way that our brains are wired is an important part of the body of Christ. So if that sounds like something that would be helpful for your family, I'd invite you to check out The Amazing Brain Club, a book that celebrates God's special design for all brains and will encourage your child that there was no mistake when they were made, that God has a special plan for the way that their brains were wired and that it shows the world more of who God is. So check out The